This is for Year 12 methods, and it's about the binomial distribution and its graph, and it is question number 5 out of 8.3. For each of the following distributions, find the mode and find the median. Okay, what do I know about these things? The mode is the value that occurs the most. Therefore, it's the value that has the highest probability. And the median is dead middle, where half of the distribution is below it and half is above it. Okay, the first one is x is binomial with the n is equal to 6 and p is equal to 0.2. Okay, what I'd like to do is actually have a look at the distribution, and I can get graphs of binomial distributions by going into statistics, calculate distribution, and the distribution that I'd like to select is the binomial PDF. And down the bottom, binomial PDF. Next, the x value, the number of trials will be 6. The probability of success is 0.2. And x is the probability. Let's say 0 for the moment, but I can change that to all the different numbers. Next, so the probability of 0 is 0.26. So in a table, the probability of x equals 0 is 0.262. I could go back and have a little look at when x equals 1. Next, that's 0.39. I could continue that process, go back, x equals 2, next 0.25. What's a little bit nice about this is that I can also get a graph. And the graph shows me the distribution when x equals 0, when x equals 1, when x equals 2, when x equals 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as you can see visually, the mode is going to be at x equals 1 because that's where the probability is the highest. So my mode will be mode is x equals 1. Now, to work out the median, I'm going to use these probabilities to work out the median because if I go from 0 to there, the probabilities that I have used up are 0.262, which isn't halfway. If I go from here to here, the probabilities are these two, which is 0.262 plus 0.39, therefore 0.55. So 55% of the distributions are from 0 to 1, which means there's only 45% from 2 through to 6. So since there was 26% up to here, 55% up to here, the median value has to be 1. It's in here that 50% will be below and 50% will be above. So the mode is x equals 1 and the median is also x equals 1. In this particular case. Okay, let's look at question number B. So if I go back and I change my numbers of trials to 9 and the probability of success to 0.15 and go next and go graph, this is my new graph and my mode again is 1 and I need to look at these probabilities. So if I go back and I put in a 0, probability is 23% is in the zeros. So I haven't yet got up to the median, so that's 23%. And I'll look at 1. 36% and 23% gave more than 0.5. So again, in part B, the mean and the median and the mode is 1. Let's look at part C. Number of trials is 12 and the probability of success is 0.4. And I'll put a 0 there. Next, and I'll look at the graph. Okay, this is totally different. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My mode will be x equals 5. Looking at the median, I need to count all of these up until I get to 0.5.